The artist in me sees beauty in every place. The artist in me sees poetry in every face. I paint a picture with every word that I write, whether it's peace and love or stars shining in the night. The artist in me hears music everywhere. The artist in me feels heaven in the air. I see a vision and strive to make it real, so others can see and hear the magic that I feel. The artist in me sees oceans in the sky. The artist in me imagines all the while. I take all the impossible and allow to be free, for it's my life, my love, my destiny to be the artist in me.